everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. And guys, today in this video, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art book search app. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn how to create an awesome dynamic and state of the art React book search app. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have created using purely React.js and this OpenLibrary book API as well. So guys, here we can see the heading also, OpenLibrary book search app in React. Yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are completely going to learn that how we can create this kind of awesome dynamic and state of the art React book search app using React.js and this OpenLibrary book API as well. Okay, so in this video guys, we are also going to learn what is API and how to fetch the third-party API in our React app, in our React application, and how to do API integration in our React app. Okay, so guys, in this video we have got a lot of things, okay, a lot of new stuff to learn in React. Okay, so guys, this video is completely okay suitable for beginners in React. Okay, and guys, if you are new to React.js and you are learning React.js in 2025, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently, because we have got a lot of new things, a lot of new stuff to learn and to become master in React.js in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, this video is very beneficial, very suitable for React beginners. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you the feature and the functionalities of this book search app. Okay, so guys, here we can see here the one search input field as well. Okay, and on the right hand side we can see here one button as well. Okay, so guys, this is the placeholder search for books. Okay, so guys, in order to search any book, okay, we have to enter here the book name and then we have to hit this button search, and then only we are going to get the data from the API. Okay, so guys, here we are getting here 100 data. Okay guys, we are getting here 100 data or elements. Okay, so I have also implemented here React pagination. Okay, so guys, I have created here, I have used here the pagination as well. Okay, to show 10 data or 10 element on every single page. Okay, so guys, this is very simple pagination and very easy to create as well. Okay, and this pagination have been created using purely React.js. Okay, so guys, I have not used here any third-party plugin, okay, any third-party API to create this pagination. Okay, no, I have just used here completely purely React.js to create this pagination, and it is quite simple, it is quite easy to create this kind of pagination in React as well. Okay, so guys, here what we are going to learn, okay, let me just tell you. So here we are going to learn what is API and how to fetch the third-party API and how to show them on the browser. Okay, and what is API integration and how to do API integration in React.js and how to create this book search app. Okay, and we will also learn how to apply dark mode and how to apply light mode as well. So we will also learn how to toggle the themes, okay, between light mode and dark mode, and this theme is persistent. Okay, you can see after the page refreshment also, after the reloading also, our dark mode is not going to be vanished, not going to be removed, because this is persistent, okay, behavior of this dark mode feature, and I have saved each and everything in local storage. That's why after the page reloading also, after the page refreshment also, this dark mode will be persisted. Okay, so this is this. Okay, and we will also learn how to create the pagination using React.js only. Very simple and very easy to create as well. Okay, and now guys, let me just show you the few example, few demo also, that how we can, okay, search the book's name. Okay guys, let me just tell you one thing, guys, our this book search app is very vast, very dynamic. Guys, we can search any kind of book, okay, any kind of book, because this is vast, this is dynamic. React search, I mean book search app, we can search any kind of book, okay, like fictional book, okay, English literature, like guys, any kind of book we can search here. Okay, like Harry Potter, okay, like maths, physics, biology, chemistry. Okay guys, we can search any kind of book from this book search app. Okay, so let me just give you a few demo as well. So let me just say here, I'm going to search here the first book, math book. Okay, so I'll say here math, and we can just hit the enter, or we can just click this button search in order to search the book. So I'm going to hit enter. See, boom guys, now we can see here showing results for math. Okay, and you can see here we are getting the data from the external API. Okay, and on each and every page, on each and every single page, I have just shown here 10 data, because we are getting here a huge amount of data. I mean 100 element or the data, so we can't show entire data, entire 100 data on a single page. So that's why I have to create here the pagination, and that's the reason I have implemented, I have created here the pagination feature as well. Okay, so this is the maths book. You can see here this all books, okay, related to maths only. So we can go to the next page also. So go to the second page. You can see the data is being changed. Okay, you can see here the data is being changed. Okay, go to the third page. See, boom guys, you can see here the data is being changed on each and every different or this single page. Okay, go to the fourth page. See, okay, go to this fifth page. See, data is being changed. Go to the sixth page. Go to the seventh page. Okay, go to the eighth page. Go to the ninth page. Go to the 10th page. Okay, and guys, whenever you will click on any of the card, okay guys, whenever you will click on any of the card, you are going to see each and everything in a nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so let me just I want to see this, okay, book. Okay, so just click this. You can see here this is the modal, and I have shown each and everything in modal as well. So this is the title or the image. We can see here this is the title, this is the author, publisher is not available. Okay, and published year 2006, and language is English. Okay, so either we can close this modal anywhere clicking on this gray area, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking these two buttons, cancel or OK. So just close this. I want to see this page or the this, okay, book, okay, all the details of this profile or the card. You can see I have shown each and everything, and it is really dynamic and really awesome. Okay, and guys, you can see here it is going to take a few seconds. Okay guys, it will take a few seconds to update the data, because we are fetching each and everything from the external API, from the external server. So that's the reason it is going to take few seconds, okay, like 1 second, 2 seconds, or fraction of seconds to be like it will take to 1 or 2 seconds for the data like mean like to be updated. Okay, so it will take a few seconds. Okay, so close this. So I'm going to search here the another book. I'll say here biology, hit enter. So you can see here showing results for biology. Okay, you can see here all these books are related to biology only, and you can see here again we reached on the first page. Okay, so guys, whenever every time you are going to search a new result, search a new book, okay, you are going to see each and everything new, okay, not a previous one. Okay, so that's why we can see here we have again reached on the first page, and these all books are related to only biology. Okay, you can see here we can see the details also in the modal. So this is the image, title is the biology, and this is the author, publisher is not available, published year 1987, and language is Spanish. Okay, I don't know FRE, I mean it can be French, okay, yeah, French and English. Okay, so click OK. I want to see the details of this book. Okay, so it will take few seconds to be updated. Okay, so this is the image, title is okay, eyewitness, and author is DK Publishing, publisher is not available, and published year 2000, and language is only English. Click close this, go to the second page. Okay, go to the fifth page, go to the sixth page. Okay, so guys, this is very dynamic and this is very vast. Okay, we can search here anything, any kind of book. I'm not going to show you each and everything because it is going to take a little bit of time also, and due to that the video will be larger. Okay, so let me just show you a few let me just give you a few more demos or examples. So I'll just say here computer. Okay, hit enter, computer. You can see here showing results for computer. You can see all these books are related to only computers. Okay, you can see we are getting the data also from the external API, and it will take a few seconds to be updated. Okay, go to the second page. See, data is being changed. Okay, data is being updated. Go to the third page. Okay, so go to the 10th page. So right now we are on the 10th page. Okay, so guys, right now we are on the 10th page. So let me just search here a new thing. I'll say here quantum computing, hit enter. You can see here showing results for quantum computing. Okay, and you can see here all these searches, all these books are related to only quantum computing. Okay, you can see here, we can see guys, okay, how cool and how dynamic our book search app is. Okay, we can see each and everything in the modal as well, along with the book image, title, author, publisher, published year, and language also. So click cancel. Just go to the second page. See, data is being updated, data is being changed. Go to the third page. See, go to the fourth page, go to the fifth page. Okay, so let me just, guys, it is very dynamic, I showed you. Let me just search here I can search here search, we can search any kind of book. Okay, I'll just search here React. Okay, hit enter. So see, you can see here learning React. Okay, React, just React. Okay, React project, React and React native. Okay, you can see here how cool and how dynamic our book search app is. Okay, we can search guys any kind of book. Okay, any kind of book. Okay, from this OpenLibrary book API. So let me just show you the URL also I'll give you the link in the description. You can just go there and you can just use this open library book API, and you can create this kind of dynamic and awesome book search app on your own. Okay, you can see guys. Okay, so welcome to Open Library. So guys, this is the API I'm going to use in this video, in this session, and it is completely free to use for your personal use, to learn something, how to do API integration and how to fetch the API in our React app. Okay, so this is completely free for personal or single use. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description. You can just go and just check it out. Okay, and just try to read the documentation very carefully and very patiently, and then only you will be able to gain something. Okay, you can see here it is vast. Okay, like database of books. Okay, you can see here, let me just go to the API documentations. Okay, and let me just you can see here indexes. Okay, index of APIs. Okay, go to the book search API. So guys, this is the book search API, and this is the response format. Okay guys, this is the response format. We are going to get the response as a JSON data. Okay, you can see here this is the response. Okay, so guys, just come here and try to have a look. Okay, try to go through the documentation, and then only you are going to get each and everything. Okay, so I'll give you the link in the description. You can just come here and check it out. Okay, so this is it. So this is the API library, search API library or open book API library we are going to use. Okay, so just come to the app now. You can see here React. We can see React also. Go to the third page. You can see here React.js. Okay, go to the ninth page. See, okay, you can see here React.js. Go to the 10th page. Okay, so React up and running. So now let me just search here JavaScript, hit enter. You can see, boom guys, showing results for JavaScript. Okay, you can see here JavaScript, the good part. Okay, eloquent JavaScript. See, JavaScript. Okay guys, I already told you about this book. Okay, search app is very vast, very dynamic. We can search any kind of book. Okay, let me just search here the Angular, hit enter. You can see showing results for Angular. You can see Angular essentials. Okay, Angular, see, Angular cookbook. Okay, you can see guys, we can go to the any page. Okay, from this pagination button as well, and you can see here data is being changed. We can see each and everything in the nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, now let's get started and let's create this book search app with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, using React.js and design and this open library book API as well. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. And definitely guys, we are going to grow also in your professional career as well. Okay, and please guys, like this video as well. Okay, and please do share this video with your colleagues, with your friends, with your group as well. Okay, so that along with you also, they are also going to learn something new, something awesome every day in React.js from my each and every session. Okay, please guys, do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group as well. Okay, and please guys, okay, do like this video, do comment something what you have learned, okay, from this video, from this session. And guys, you can give me the feedback also, whether it can whether it can be negative, it can be positive. Okay, I'll just try to read it and I'll definitely try to implement it from my next video, from my next session itself. Okay, please guys, please subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and be the part of this lovely and dynamic, okay, and growing community on this platform, on this channel Code with ER on YouTube. Okay, please guys, please do subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. You can consider me as a friend, you can consider me as a brother, and please please guys, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this channel Code with ER. I hope you will do now, and I hope you're going to subscribe now my this channel Code with ER after watching this video, after watching this session, because I'll explain you each and everything in React, and we are going to create this awesome and dynamic open library book search app using React, okay, and design as well as the API, okay. And I explained you we're going to learn a lot of things, okay. So this video is very beginner friendly. If you are a new beginner in React.js and you are learning in React.js in 2025, then this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently, okay. So this is it. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's create this book search app in React with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, okay. So guys, now let me go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm going to use here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. So I'm going to create here first, okay, a new file. I'll just say here book app in React js.jsx. Save the file in the components folder, hit save. Let me guys import here first React, okay. So I'll just say here React. Let me just import here hooks also, few hooks also. So I'll just use here the first hook as a use state to create the state variables. This is it. And I'll just use here another hooks as a use effect to do side effects, okay, like data fetching, updating the document title, creating the timer, like some events also, some subscriptions as well. So guys, this is the these are a few examples of side effects in React.js, and we are going to do side effects using this use effect hook in React, okay. So this is it. Let me just create here like I'm going to import here the some components from the and design as well. I'll just import here the first component as an empty from this and design, okay. And I'll just import here the tooltip as well. I'll just import here the modal component as well from the and design as well. So I'll just import here Axios, okay, because I'm going to use here the Axios, okay, as well in this video. So let me just import here the Axios. I'll just say here import Axios, and guys, I have already like installed it in my project folder, okay. So this is the syntax, okay, to import the Axios, okay. We all know what is the Axios and what is the feature, what is the functionalities of this Axios library, okay. It is going to help you in fetching the data, okay. This is it, okay. And I'll just import here the loader as well to show the spinner, okay, to show the loading, okay, to the user while we will fetch the data, okay. So I'll just import here the clip loader, okay, clip loader. I'll just say here from clip loader, and let me just remove this, okay, open and closing curly braces. So this is it, okay. So guys, this is it. Let me just create here one main component also. So I'll just create here const. I'll give the component name as a book search app in React, give equal to, I'm going to use here the fat function like this, open and closing curly braces. It is going to return all the things also. So return, and let me just create here the container div or the wrapper div, or we can say here the main container or parent container div as well, okay. So I'll just create a div. I'll give the class name also, margin top I'll give you a 4, margin bottom I'll give you a 4. I'll say here container class, okay. And I'll just say here as of now let it be. If we want, we can create another classes as well. It is only our code, okay. So this is it. So let me just export it first. I'll say here export default book search app in React, okay. So close this. This is it. Let me guys go to the previous example just to copy the h1 element, okay. Just to copy this h1 element. This is it. So paste it here and just paste it inside this div, okay. Let me just bring it here so that it will, okay, give you the feel that everything is clear. clear, everything is open and okay. I'll give you the padding 4 also, and let's just say here MT5 and MB5 as well. As of now, just save the file. So guys, as of now, just save the file, okay, and come to the app.jsx file. We are going to import the component now in our app.jsx file. So I'll just say here import, okay, book, okay, uh, okay, from this components and app in book app in React. Okay, so I hope this is it. Okay, so guys, now just copy this and just come down, and below this I'll just create this, paste it now. So close this. As of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Go down, so we can see here the text also, the heading also, open library book search app. Okay, so guys, now let me just comment this, okay, out this previous app. Okay, so first of all we will create here this, okay, input search field along with this search button as well. Okay, so I am going to do that now. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to do that now. So just come to the code now, and let me just comment this out, and let me just comment this out as well. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here open library book search app heading. So come to the code now and come to this component. Okay, and now we have to create here I'm going to create here the form element. Okay, like where we will create here the input field, search input field along with the search button as well, so that user can search the book, okay, from that input field. Okay, from that search input field, to be precise, okay, to be clear. Okay, so I'll just say here form and close this form element, okay, very quickly, and I'll just give here the class name also. So I'll just say here class name margin, bottom I'll say here 4, and just open this, okay, form element. So okay, so now open this form. We have to create here the input field inside this form only. So I'll just create the input field first. I'll just say here input, open this. I'll give the type as well, text only. I'll give you the placeholder also. I'll say here search any books, okay, I'll say here book from here. Give 3 dots also. I'll just give you the class name also. I'll say here form control, I'm sorry, form control, and I'll just say here as of now, just save the file and come to the browser, have a look. So we can see here we got here this, okay, search input field. Let me just give here few paddings also. So I'll say here P2. Okay, now this looks cool. So let me just create here the button as well, okay, inside this form only. So I'll just say here button and just close this button. I'll give the type attribute as well, submit. I'll say here submit. I'll give the class name also btn. I'll say here info, okay, info. So this is it. Okay, as of now, just save the file, and now we can see here we have to say here search book. So let me just say here or why not, okay, put each and everything inside the div. Okay, so create a div, give the class name also. I'll just close this div. I'll just say here form, okay, group, okay, form group. So open this div and paste it here. So this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So form group, or we can say here input group, okay, because this is the input. So now everything is cool and everything is okay. We can see here this is the placeholder, search any book here, and this is the button search book, okay, to search the books. Okay, this is it. So now guys, first of all let me just create here few state variable as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here few state variables as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now, okay, using this, okay, state user state hook. Okay, so I'll just create here few state variables as well. So I'll just say here first state variable I'm going to create here as a books. Okay, I'll just say here set book is the state updater function from use state. Okay, let me just make it okay array an empty array. Okay, so guys this empty array is the initial or default value of this books state variable. Okay, this is it. Const, I'll just create here a few more state variables. I'll say here search term. I'll just say here set. Okay, search term. I'll say here equal to use state, and as of now we can give here the default search term as a math. Okay, so guys this is the default search term math. Okay, we can give anything, it's up to us only. And I'll just create here the another state variable. I'll just say here loading to show the loading spinner to the user that we are fetching the data. Please wait a while. Okay, I'll just say here set loading and use state, and as of now just give here the default value as well. I'll say here false. Okay, so let me just create here another const or the state variable. I'll just say here if we want we can create the like let me just create here dark. Okay, dark mode to apply the dark mode or light mode. I'll just say here set a dark mode, and as of now say here use state, and as of now just give here the default value. Okay, default value. Okay, so this is it. And let me just okay let me just also guys. Okay, so now come to this input field guys. Now come to this input field and we will create here value. Okay, so just value, and guys we have to okay use this value okay as a this okay as a this search term state variable. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. So guys in this way guys in this way we have connected, we have linked. Okay guys in this way we have connected, we have linked. Okay, this input field with this state variable. Okay, with this state variable search term. Okay, so guys by using value equal to search term in this way we have connected, we have linked this input field with this state variable search term. Okay, with this state variable search term. So now just copy this set search term state updater function from here, and we will just say here on change. Okay, on change we will create here anonymous finder function. I'll just pass here the event object parameter, and we will just use here this. Okay, and we will just say here event. Okay, event dot target. Okay, event dot target dot value. Okay, event dot target dot value. So guys this in this way on change. Okay, on change equal to this. Okay, set search term state updater function. So guys in this way we have connected, we have linked okay this input field to the user events. Okay, to the user search field. Okay, whatever guys user is going to search from the search input field we have linked. Okay, we have connected using this on change method. Okay, if user will search math, chemistry, biology, physics, any kind of book in this way we have linked our search input field using this value with this search term state variable, and on change it is going to handle the change. Okay, it is going to handle the user inputs. Okay, it is going to handle the user inputs. Okay, on change. So as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. You can now we can see here the math value is here. If we want I can show you this search term as well here. So as of now just open and closing curly braces, paste this search term state variable, save the file and have a look in the browser. You can see here maths. Okay, let me just search here biology. You can see here biology. Let me just search here physics. You can see here everything is here because these two is working under the hood, and this, okay, and using this we have connected this input field with this search term state variable, and on change it is going to handle the user change, okay, like user will search physics chemistry any kind of book. Okay, this is it. Okay guys, this is it. Okay, so let me just come to the code now. Let me just remove this. Okay, and now uh, below this, okay, form, we will create the div. Okay, so guys, as of now, on this form, okay, as of now guys, on this form we have to say here on submit. Okay, on submit we have to say here on submit we have to create here one method. Okay, so on submit I'm going to say here, I'm going to create here one method also. I'll say here handle change, handle change. So now let me just copy this handle change, and now we have to create this method handle change. Okay, so just now above this return statement I'm going to create here, I'll just say here const, paste it now, and give equal to, and now open and closing parenthesis, I'm going to use here the flat arrow function. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now let me just create this function first of all. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let me just make this function as a sync function. Okay, so I'll just create here a sync. Okay, this is it. So in this way we have, okay, created this handle change method as a async method. Okay, so now inside this async method we have to use here the try catch block, and we have to use here the await keyword as well. Okay, although I have explained you everything in my previous videos as well. Okay, so let me just explain you here also all the things in depth, in details. Okay, so first of all let me just copy this set loading state updater function, and we have to uh, say here, let me just make it, okay, true. Okay, we will show the loader while we are going to fetch the data. Okay, so let me just copy this set books. We are going to remove all the previous search, all the previous result as well. So we will just say here this empty array. Okay, so we are going to clear the previous search result. Okay, in this way. Okay, so I'll just use here the try catch and finally block. Okay, I'll just say here try like this, and catch block I'll use here the catch block as well. Okay, so I'll just say here catch. Okay, and let me just create like this, and I'll just use here the finally block as well. So I have explained you what is all about in my previous videos. Okay, if you don't know like what is catch method or try block or finally block, and what is the feature, what is the functionality, you can just go there and you can just watch my previous video. Okay, on try catch and finally block in React. Okay, this is it. Let me just write the comment also, show, okay, loading. Okay, show loading while fetching the data. Okay, so and say here clear, okay, clear previous search result. Okay, this is it. So in this way, we're going to show each and everything new result, okay, to the user. Okay, so inside the try block, so we have to write the such code inside the try block, which might, okay, throw the error, which might show some error at the runtime. Okay, so such kind of code we have to write here inside the try block. Okay, and if any error will occurred, okay, if any error will occurred inside this try block, then we can catch that error in the catch block. Okay, and we can show to the user as well. Okay, so I'll just create here one const also. I'll just say here const. Okay, and I'll say here response. Okay, response equal to, we have to use here the keyword await keyword. Okay, to wait for the response, to wait for the promise. Okay, from this fetch method. Okay, so I'm going to use here the Axios. So be like I'm not going to use here the fetch method, we have to use here the Axios. So I'll just say here Axios. Okay, and I'm going to use here the dot get method. Okay guys, okay, like we have, okay, patch, put, update, delete method. We have also the get method, and these methods are the HTTP methods. Okay, like get, update, patch, delete, put. Okay, these kind of methods are known as the HTTP methods. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now inside this get method we have to pass the URL from which we have to fetch the API data. Okay, guys, inside this get method of the Axios, we have to pass the URL from which we have to fetch the API data. Okay, so let me just go to this app.jsx, and let me just copy this URL from here, and just come to this code, and we have to say here I'm going to use here the backtick. In this way we can make this search term dynamic. Okay, and whatever user is going to search, it will come here inside this search term state variable, and from here it will come here, and this search term is now linked with this input field, with this search input field. I explained you very deep and very clearly as well. Okay, and on change it is going to handle the change. Okay, like change value, physics, chemistry, math, any kind of book. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Now below we have to say here, so copy this set book state updater function, copy this set book set updater function, and just to paste it here. So let me just say here, I'll just say here response dot response dot data, and we have to say here docs. Okay, we have to say here docs. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, this is the benefit. Okay, this is the advantage of using the Axios, okay, to fetch the third party API. Okay, as you can see here, how cool and how precise, how clear our code is. Okay guys, this is the biggest advantage, this is the biggest benefit of using the Axios to fetch the third party API. Okay, and we have to use here the dot get method. Okay, and we have to pass here the URL to this get method as a parameter. This is it. Okay, this is the URL we are going to hit. Okay, this is the API URL we are going to hit. Okay, and this is the search.json, because we are going to get the response in the JSON, and this q equal to query string. Okay, this q equal to query string, and it can be anything, physics, chemistry, math. Okay, any kind of book. Okay, and this is the what can I say, the HTTPS. Okay, the we can say here the methods, or we can say here right now I'm forgetting it. Okay, and this is the domain. Okay, this is the domain name, and this is the search parameter, and this is the search query. This is it. Okay, and here we have to say here this set book equal to response dot data dot docs. Okay, so I'll show you each and everything, don't worry. So let me just come console the response also for you. I'll say here console.log. I'll just say here response. Okay, this is it. I'll just say here, and now let me just copy this, and let me just paste it here. I'll say here response dot data dot docs. Okay, to show the entire data also. And now guys, inside this try block, okay, if anything goes wrong, okay, if anything went wrong, so we will get the error. So inside the catch block we have to catch the error also. So I'm going to catch the error now. So now just we will create here another state variable error. Okay, I'll just say here const error set. Okay, error state updater function use state, and as of now just give you the null value. This is it. Okay, so copy this set error state updater function, and come to this catch block. We will just say here we will just update it. Okay, we will say here error. Okay, fetching the data. Okay, and just give a space, and we will just give comma. We will say here error dot message because this error is the error object. Okay, so it will contain the status. Okay, it will contain the message, it will contain the other parameter, other properties as well. Okay, this error is the error object. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just say here console dot error dot error to show in the error into the console as well. We will say here error fetching the book. Okay, we will say here error fetching the book. Okay, give comma, and I'll show here the entire error as well. This is it. So now inside the finally block we will say here set loading to, again we will say here false. Okay, because we got the data, so we have to set it false now. Okay, so we have to set it false now because everything is okay, so we have to set it false. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created here handle change method. Okay, and this is the async method, so we have to use here the await keyword. Okay, so guys, in this way, guys listen to me very carefully. Okay, in this way we have just created here the handle change method. Okay, and we have to call it. Okay, we have to call it explicitly. Okay guys, in this way we have just defined the method, what to do and when to do, and when something will happen, what will happen next. Okay, so we have just defined this handle change method, okay, or the function. So now we have to call it explicitly. Okay, so guys, now we have to call it explicitly. So let me just copy this. Okay, let me just copy this use effect state. Okay, like a hook, I mean a hook also. So we will just say here paste it, and now I'm going to use here the anonymous, okay, factor function here, and now just to give here the open and closing square bracket. So this is known as the dependency array. Okay, this is known as the dependency array, and as of now this dependency array uh, zero value, no value at all. So that's why this use effect is going to execute, is going to run only once whenever our component is mounted for the first time. Okay, so just open this, and we have to copy this handle change method, and we have to call this method handle change method inside this use effect, because it is going to execute once our component is mounted for the first time. So just paste it. So now close this, call the function. Okay, when component mounted for the uh, first time. This is it. Okay guys, this is it. So as of now guys, just save the file. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser, what is the response, what is the result. Okay, so let me just go to the developer tool and go to the console. Let me just refresh the page manually one more time. See, boom guys, boom, we got the data. Guys, you can see here we got the data. Here is the 100 data. You can see here, here is the 100 data. See, this is the huge set of data. So we have to show each and everything on the browser, on the screen also. Okay, for our user, and on each and every page I'm going to show here the only 10 data, and we will just implement here the pagination as well. Okay, so guys, this is the data we are getting here. So everything is okay. So let me just, as of now, let me just put here something to, okay, make this URL not a valid URL. Okay, I'll just put here few s. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. Let me just refresh the page one more time. You can see here error fetching the book. You can see here we got the error fetching the book, and this is the Axios error. Okay, you can see here Axios is going to handle each and everything. So first of all, let me just show here the error. Okay, so let me just copy this error state updater or the error state variable, and we will just say here if, okay, this error is okay. So we will just create here return all the things like this, and we will just create here the, or let it be only the, so guys, this is known as the JSX fragments. Okay guys, this is known as the JSX fragments. Okay, but I would like to create here div. Okay, you all know, I would like to create here div. Okay, so I'll just say here text center. Okay, and I'll just say here as of now this is it. So just close this div, and I'm going to create here h1 element. Okay, h1, I'll give you the class name also, display. I'll say here 4. I'll give here the font weight bold. I'll just say here text center. I'll just say here text danger. Okay, and I'll just say here uh, error fetching the book. Copy it from here and just paste it here. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. You can see here, boom guys, error fetching the book. Okay, error fetching the book. Okay, okay, so just close this out, and now just remove this s from here, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now refresh the page one more time. So now error is gone. We can see here the input field and the button also, which means everything is doing great. Okay, so guys, now as of now guys, just come to this below this form. Okay, so we have to create here one div also. Okay, so guys, now we have to create here one div also, so I am going to do that now. Okay, so let me just below this form, I'll just create here div. Okay, so let me just give you the class name also. I'll say here text info. Okay, and I'll just say here text center, and I'll just close this div, and inside this div I'll just say here margin top also 4, and open this div, and inside this div I'll just say here showing. Okay, showing result, showing result. Okay, say here results 4. Okay, 4, I'll just say here strong element. I'll create here strong element. I'll just say here open and closing curly braces, and copy this. Okay, search term state variable from here, and just paste it here. In this way we can show that showing results for maths, physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, like this. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here showing results for math. Let me just say here physics, or say here biology. You can see here showing results for biology. So let me just create here h2, and give the class also display. I'll give you a 4. Okay, so close this h2 very quickly. Let me just cut it out from here and just paste it here. Say, what is the issue? Okay, so issue is here. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here showing results for. Okay, I guess okay, I guess this looks cool as well. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, and now let me just show you the loading status as well. We will show the loading spinner as well. If user is searching something new, something different, so we have to show here the loading spinner as well. So I'll just say here open and closing curly braces, and now let me just copy this loading state variable from here, and let me just paste it here. Let me just say here I'm going to use here the Java React. Okay, conditional rendering. Okay, React conditional rendering. I'll just create here the div. Let me just close this div now. Let me just give you the class name also. I'll just give you the class name as a text center. Okay, and let me just open this div. Okay, and let me just copy this. Okay, clip loader. So this is the loader from React only. Okay, React spinner. So let me just like this. Okay, yeah, this will look cool also, and I hope this is clear to you as well. So this is the component, custom component. So I'll just give you the size attribute 100. Okay, and I'll just give you the color. Okay, I'll just make it red. Okay, so guys, as of now this is it. Okay, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, okay, you can see here loading spinner. you can see here loading spinner. Okay, loading spinner is here now. So now come to the code now. So this is it. Okay, so now below this we have to show the result also. If no book is found, okay, we have to show that result as well. Okay, if no book is found, okay, if guys user will search, okay, something like this. Okay, so guys, this is not a book name. Okay guys, suppose if user is going to search something like this, okay, some random text. Okay, so this is not a book name. Okay, so we have to show the result also, that no book found. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So below this div, I'm going to create here, so open and closing curly braces. Okay, if we will say here, if loading is okay, loading is this. Okay, so guys, this exclamation mark, okay, this guys exclamation mark is going to negate this loading state variable. Okay, and based on the value of this loading state variable, it is going to behave, okay, accordingly. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let me just say here, I'm going to use here the again the conditional rendering. Okay, so we will just check it here. So if loading is true or false, based on this, okay, based on this exclamation mark, okay, and based on this method handle change. Okay, if loading is still true, if loading is still true or false, we will just show that no result is found. Okay, or please wait. And now, okay, and now we will just check here, this books dot length is something or not. Okay, if there is something inside this books state variable array. Okay, if this is an array, this books state variable is an array. Okay, so it will have a length property as well, length. Okay, if it is equal to 0. Okay, if it is equal to 0, which means there is nothing, which means there is nothing. So we will show user that no books found. Okay, so I'll just create here open and closing parenthesis, and I'll just create here div also. I will just say here class name also. I'll just say here class name text center. Just close this div, and now just open this div. We will say here no book found. Okay, so let me just copy this empty component, okay, from ant design, and just paste it here. This is the component, so we have to use like this. Remove this extra open and closing square brackets. Okay, or we can say here open and closing, let it be guys. Okay, like I mean okay, so I'll just give you the description as well. I'll just say here description. I'll say here no book, okay, found, no books found. So save the file, and now have a look in the browser. Let me just okay, so let me just put here anything like this. Now search. So okay, okay, so we will just whenever, okay, like based on this, okay, based on this like function, this handle change, it is going to respond. Okay, it is going to respond. Okay, so as of now we are getting the data. Okay, as of now we are getting the data. So let me just okay, okay, our page is being refreshed. Okay, you can see here our page is being refreshed. Okay, so we have to do here one thing. We have to come to this, okay, handle change, and let me just pass here one event. Okay, one event object also. So we can pass here event object. Okay, so let me just pass here event object, and we will say here this, okay, this event dot, okay, prevent default, like this. Save the file, and now have a look in the browser. So now refresh the page. Okay, so we can see here no book found. Let me just put here something. You can see here no book found. Okay, so let me just put here math. Okay, so now this is gone. Okay, because we are getting the feature, I mean we are getting the data. Okay, we are getting the data, so that's why it is removed now. Put anything here, search. You can see here no book found, remove it. okay, and say here some legit book name, biology. Hit enter. You can see now it's gone, okay, which means we're getting the data. Okay, so now we will just okay use here this below this div. I'm going to create here another div, okay, to loop through the this books state variable, and it is an array. Okay, so come to the code now. So I'll just show you one thing important, don't worry. As of now, just give here the class name. I'll just say here row, and I'll just say here justify content. Justify content. I'll just say here center. uh, okay, open close this div now, and inside this div we have to use here open and closing curly braces. And as of now, just copy this books array state variable and just paste it here, because this is the array. We can use here the map method, okay, to loop through this array. I'll just say here book, and I'll just give here the index as well. Okay, index like this, open and closing curly. I will just use here the filter function like this. So open this div, and inside this div we have to create here another div. Okay, so I'm going to create here another div. Let me just give you the class name also. So first close this div. I'll just say here class name, and I'll just say here call md 3. I'll just say here call x double xl. Okay, say here 3 also, and we will just say here mb 4 as well. So open this div, and inside this div I'll just give you the first key prop as well. Okay, otherwise we will forget it and will create a lot of issues. Although it is not going to create issues, but it is a good practice, it is a better practice to give the key prop whenever we are looping through anything in React. Okay, so in this way React is going to keep track. Okay, React is going to keep an eye on anything is going to be changed inside this list, inside this loop. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now let me just give you the key prop as well. Okay, I'll just say here book. Okay, book dot key. Okay, book dot key. Okay, otherwise if it is not available, otherwise if it is not available, we will just pass here the index as well like this. Okay, so inside this div we have to create here another div. I'm going to create here another div. So let me just give the class name also. First of all, let me just close this div, and I'll just give here the class name as a card, or let me just make this class name as a dynamic using the backtick. Okay, and I'll just say here card. Okay, and I'll just say here height also. I'll give here 100%. Okay, and now inside this div we have to use here this. Okay, we have to use here this dark mode state variable to apply the dark mode whenever button will be clicked. Okay, so if dark mode is true, we will use here the javascript, okay, ternary operator. Okay, so if this dark mode is true, we will apply here the bg. Okay, vg dark, and I'll just apply here the text white as well. I mean text text white, and otherwise we will say here apply nothing. Okay, if dark mode is false, apply nothing. So now open this div, and now inside this div, okay, we have to create here img element. Okay, so I'll just create here the img element like this. Okay, so I'll just create here first open and closing curly braces. So copy this book. Okay, copy this book. We will just check here. Okay, go to the developer tools. Okay, go to the console. Open this object. Okay, and open any element. Okay, open any element, and you can see here, guys. Okay, this cover I. Okay, guys, this cover I is the image. Okay, this cover underscore I is the image. Okay, is the image. So we will check it using this cover I. Okay, if image is defined or not. Okay, if image is defined or not. Okay, so using this we will use here the javascript. Okay, again ternary operator. We will just say here like this. Okay, and now we will just say here like this. Okay, so let me just let it be as of now. So inside this if it is true, we are going to create here the img element. Okay, we're going to create here the img element. So open this img element, and we will just say here src equal to open and closing parenthesis, because we have to use here the dynamic. So let me just go to the example. Let me just copy this url. So this image url, let me just copy this from here, and let me just paste it here. So just paste it here. So in this way, this is the url, okay, covers, okay, openlibrary.org to show the image. And you can see here book dot, okay, this book, okay, dot cover I to show the image, okay, to show the image. I'll just give here the class name as well. So I'll just say here class name, I'll just say here card img top, okay, card img top, okay, and I'll just give you the alt attribute. I'll just make it dynamic using the backtick, okay. I'll just say here cover of dollar sign open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here book, okay, dot title, okay, we can show anything as a like the alt of the image, okay. This is it, okay. And inside this div, okay, inside this, okay, open and closing parenthesis, we have to create here the another div, okay. So let me just create here the div. I'll just close this div, okay. If image is not defined, if image is not defined, we have to show something. If, okay, guys, if this image is not defined, okay, if this image is not defined, so we have to show this, okay, we have to show this. We can see here we have used here the ternary operator, okay. So we have to show this. So I'll just create here the class name also. I'll just say here card, okay, card img top, okay, card img top. And I'll just say here text center as well. I'll just give you the padding, okay, 3 also. And I'll just say here bg light, okay, bg light. So open this div, and now copy this empty component from here, from the ant design, okay. And now inside this, we will just paste it here. We will give the description as well. We will say here description, I'll just say here no image to show, no image to show. This is it. Save the file, okay. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Close this. So see, boom, guys, now we can see here the images here, guys, okay. You can see, guys, now the images here. So let me just refresh the page, okay. So you can see, as of now it says let me just refresh the page. This maths, no book found, say here math, okay. So we're getting the data, okay. So we have to refresh the page, okay. So let me just okay, we will don't worry, guys, okay, don't worry. It's like it's a event, okay. We will show each and everything on click event, okay. We have to show each and everything on this, okay, click event or on the enter event, okay. This is it, okay. So don't worry anything, okay, don't worry about anything, okay. So let me just say here biology, okay, biology. Hit enter, or just hit this button, search book. See, we're getting the data, okay. No issue at all, okay, no issue at all. But as of now, we can see here we're getting here all the 100 data, and we have shown here all the 100 data. But this is not feasible, this is not cool, okay. Being a developer, this is not cool, this is not feasible. So we have to show only 10 data on a single page, okay. We have to show here only 10 data on a single page. So for this, we have to implement here the pagination logic as well, okay. We will create the pagination, don't worry. But let me just show here the like author name, published year, okay, and the all the other details as well of this, okay, particular book, okay, of this particular book, okay. So let me just do that now. So just come to this, okay, and below this, okay, below this I have to do now. So below this, guys, we can do now, okay. So let me just create here the div, and just to close this div now, let me just create here the class name also. I'll just say here card, okay, body, card body, open this div, okay, and inside this div I have to create here h5 element. I'll just create here h5 element, h5, and just close this first. Okay, so close this h5. I'll just give you the class name as well. I'll just say here card, okay, title. So let me just show here the name or title. We can show anything. Okay, so I'll just say here card, okay, I mean the book, okay, book dot, just go to the developer tool one more time, go to the console, open this array, okay, and open this first element, okay, or zeroth element. You can see here all the data is now here. You can see here title is this. Okay, so we will just copy this title from here and just paste it here. So just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here this is the title. Okay, now the title is now shown here. You can see here now the title is shown here. Okay, so now the title is shown. We will show the author name, we will show the publish year as well. So come to the code now, and now below this h5 I'm going to create here few para element, okay, few p elements as well. P, so close this p first. Let me just give the class name also. I'll just say here card, okay, text. I'll just say here card text, and I will just create here the strong element as well. Okay, I'll just say here strong. So I'll just say here strong, and close this strong. Okay, this is it. Let me just copy it and paste it couple of times. Okay, this is it. We will just say here, I'll just say here first publish year. Okay, first publish year, give a space, give colon, give a space, and now we will just say here open and closing curly braces. We will say here book, okay, dot, we will say here, okay, first publish year, copy it from here and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser first. You can see here first publish year is now 9085, 9090, okay, 9049, 1472. Okay, so now let me just show other details as well. So I'll just say here the ebook access. Okay, we will say here ebook access, space, give colon, give space, and just say here open and closing curly braces, book dot. You can see here guys, ebook access property is here. So copy this from here and just paste it here. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. You can see here ebook, okay, you can see here borrowable, we can borrow it. Okay, borrowable, we can borrow it. Okay, print disabled, okay, unclassified, okay, unclassified. You can see here printable, okay, no ebook, okay, print disabled, borrowable, like this. Okay, so now this is it. Now let me just show here another details. I'll just show here another details. I'll just say here publish. Okay, I'll say here publisher. Okay, who has published it. I'll just say here publisher, give a space, give colon, and you can see here the, let me just okay, so publisher is not here, so we will use here the javascript, okay, optional chaining operator. Okay, we will use here javascript optional chaining operator. Okay, if something is not there, it is not going to throw the runtime error. Okay, so this is the advantage of using the optional chaining operator. Okay, so I'll just use here the optional chaining operator. Okay, I'll just use here the optional chaining operator. Okay, so I'll just say here books, okay, books, okay, dot, I'll just say here publisher. Okay, publisher, publisher. Okay, if it is there, we will use here this question mark and dot. Okay, if it is there, we will just show it. Okay, we just show it, otherwise we will say here not available. Okay, not available. Okay, so just now save the file and have a look in the browser how it is going to behave. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. See, it is not going to give you the runtime error. See, this is the advantage of using the this optional chaining operator. Okay, this is the advantage of using this optional chaining operator. So we have to show the publisher as well. So as of now, no publisher is available. Okay, so you can see here, publisher not available, publisher not available. Okay, so now I'll just show here the author as well. So let me just copy this p. I'll just show here the author name as well. So save it here. Okay, I'll just say here author. Okay, author, this is it. So you can see here the author is the again array. Okay, you can see here guys, the author name is again an array. Okay, you can see here author name is again an array. Okay, you can see here again an array. Okay, so copy this author name from here and we will just say here inside this we will just say here, okay, book dot author name, and we will use here the dot, okay, join method. Okay, using the optional chaining operator. If it is there we will show it, if it is not there we will just say here unknown. Okay, we will just say here unknown. So I'll just say here join and give here comma. I'll just show the comma separated value. Okay, otherwise I'll just say here unknown. Okay, so unknown. I hope guys you know what is the feature of this join. Okay, if you don't know, let me just say here, let me just create here one variable. I'll just say here a. Okay, this is the example. Okay, I'll just say here example of join method. Okay, so say here b, say here c, say here d. Okay, and dot join. Okay, dot join using the delimiter as a comma. It will give us say here a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, so this is the method of example of join. Okay, so this is it. So here also, so like this only, but here we have used here the optional chaining operator. Okay, if it is defined we will show the author, if it is not defined we will show the unknown. Okay, as a author. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So see, author is defined, so we can show here the author. You can see we have now shown each and everything. The author, I have shown here each and everything. Okay, so just close this. Okay, so guys, now we have to now implement here the pagination. Okay, we have to implement here pagination using the purely React.js. Okay, so guys, now come to the code. Now we have to implement here pagination, because this is not feasible to show all the 100 data on a browser. Okay, on a browser this is not feasible, this is not cool as well. Okay, being a developer. Okay, so we have to implement here the pagination now. So come to the code now, but before creating the pagination, let me just show you one very important things. So we will just say here dot slice, and we will just say here 0, and I'll just say here 9. Okay, so in this way it is now going to show here the data from 0 to 9. Okay, so this means we will see here only 10 result. Okay, only 10 result. Okay, results now. So save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh the page one manually. So okay, so refresh it, search book. See, okay, it is inside the console. Okay, it is, you can see here it is inside the console. Okay, so let me just copy this from here to here, and inside this set book we have to say here like this, copy this. Okay, comment also, and just paste it here for you. Okay, so save the file, and now have a look in the browser. Okay, so now click the button search book. You can see here, now we can see here only 10 result. Okay, we can see here only 10 result. If we want we can show here the only 4 result also. So give here 0 to 4. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. Let me just search one more time. You can see here only 4 result. Okay, only 4 result I have shown here. If we want, we can show here only one result, 0 to 1. Save the file, have a look in the browser, search the book. You can see here only one result I have shown here. Okay, only one result I have shown here. So guys, this is the logic. Okay guys, this is the logic we have to use, okay, to create the pagination. Okay guys, this is the logic we have to use to create the pagination. Okay, but as of now, just remove this. Okay, so guys, this is the entire book. Okay guys, this books, okay, this books state variable contains the entire 100 book. Okay, entire 100 results. Okay guys, this books state variable, which is an array, contain the entire 100 result, contains the entire 100 book. Okay, 100 book. Okay, but now we will use this dot slice method to slice it, and we will just, okay, create a function. We will just try to calculate the like starting index and the last index. Okay, we will try to calculate, okay, this starting index, okay, this starting index and the last index. Okay, this is it. So now we have to do that now. Okay, so for that we have to create here a couple of more state variables. So I am going to create here a couple of more state variables. I'll just say here const. Okay, I'll just say here current. Okay, current page. I'll just say here set current page, and as of now I'll just give here the current page value as a 1. Okay, means every time we will just increase the current page value. Okay, I just say here use state. Okay, and as of now just give here the default value as a 1. Okay, so guys, current page state variable default value is now 1, and we will increase this. We will increase this current page value every time user will click on the pagination button. Okay, user will click on the pagination button. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I am going to create here the starting index and the last index. Okay, we have to calculate. Okay, so I am going to do that now. I'll just create here one const also. I'll just say here books. Okay, books per page, how many books we have to show on each and every page. I'll show here only 10 page, I mean the only 10 books. Okay, or the only 10 data. This is it. I'll just create here another const. Okay, I'll just say here const. I'll just say here index of last book. Okay, I'll just say here index of say here index of last book. Okay, equal to, we will just use this, okay, current page state variable, and multiply it by books per page. Okay, multiply it by books per page. So in this way, what we will get here, 10. Okay, so first time we will get 10, and whenever it is going to this current page is going to be increased, okay, every time by 1, we will try to calculate it again and again. Okay, and we will show the another 10 data. We will show the another 10 data. We will show the another 10 data. Okay, I will explain you. I have already explained you in my previous videos as well. Okay, just come here and you can just watch this. Okay, React plus Axios. Okay, awesome book app. Okay, you can just watch this React plus Axios awesome book app. Okay, if you don't know how to create the pagination. Okay, and what I am doing here. Okay, I explained everything in depth, in details. Okay, I'll just say here const. I'll just say here index. Okay, index of first book. I'll just say here equal to, I'll just say here index of, okay, this last book. Okay, index of this last book minus, we have to say here minus books per page. Okay, books per page. So just close this, and what we will get here, we will get here every time. Okay, we will get here every time. So this is 10. Okay, as of now this is 10. Okay, not here. As of now this is 10. Okay, so we will get here 10 minus books per page. Books per page is here also 10. So we will get here, as of now 0. Okay, as of now 0, and and again we will increase by clicking the pagination button this current page by 1. Okay, this current page by 1, so it will become 2. So here 2 multiply by 10 become 20. Okay, will become 20. So this will become, again this will become 20. Okay, minus books per page. What is the books per page? 10. We will again get here the extra 10 data, the next 10 data. Okay, likewise for every paginated page. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So what is the issue, guys? Why we can see here the issue? We have to remove this comment. We have to remove this comment. Use state. Okay, so books. Okay, const books 100. So index of, okay, index of last book. Okay, let it be, no issue. If it is issue, we will just try to resolve this. Okay, so redeclared, we have declared it, guys, I guess. Okay, you can see here the, okay, you can see here index of last book. Okay, index of last book, index of last book. Okay, so be, okay, let's just comment this out. Okay, control Z. Okay, so I explained you, so I'll just say here index of, okay, first, okay, first book. Okay, so sorry, the variable name was, okay, exactly same. Okay, so that was the error. So I explained you everything. Okay, I explained you everything. Okay, so now we will calculate the page length. Okay, now we will calculate the page length. Okay, so I'll just say here const. Okay, I'll just say here const. Okay, and I'll just say here books. I'll just say here books. Okay, books on single page. Okay, so now we are going to calculate the books on single page using this. Okay, using this slice method, using this slice method. So we will just say here copy this books. Okay, entire books. Okay, the entire 100 books. Okay, the entire 100 books is now stored inside this books state variable, which is an array. Okay, which is an array. So we will just say here dot length. Okay, dot length. Okay, not length, we'll just say here slice, and now we will just say here just we will just copy this. Okay, index of first index book. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here, give comma, and just copy this index of last book and just paste it here and just close this. Okay, and in this way, we have sliced here every time book by, okay, by 10 book. Okay, by 10 book, by 10 book. Okay, every time. Okay, and now we will just calculate the total number of pages. Okay, we will now calculate the total number of pages. So I'll just say here const, I'll just say here total pages equal to, I'll just say here, so I'll just say here math dot seal. Okay, math dot seal, and we all know what is math dot seal. Okay, so it will say here, I'll just say here math. Okay, if it is math dot seal. Okay, if it is 4.4, so we will get here 5. Okay, so we will get here 5. If math dot seal is 9.99, we will get here 10. Okay, so we will get here the integer value. Okay, we will get here the integer value. Okay, and if math dot seal is 7, because this is the integer value, so we will get here only 7. Okay, this is it. So come to this now. Okay, and we will just say here, we will say here on the math dot seal. Okay, we will say here, okay, book dot length, divided by okay, divided by this books per page. So copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, in this way we can calculate the total number of, okay, total number of pages. pages. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, as of now, just copy this out from here. Just copy this out from here, and we will replace with this books. Paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now click search book. So we can see here, guys, we can only see here 10 result. Okay, we can only see here 10 result. Okay, and try to make this, okay, books per page 20, make it 20, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here 20 results. Okay, we can see here 20 results. Okay, so let me just make it 10 only. So we will show here only 10 data on each and every single page. Okay, so this is it, the 10 data is here now. So now we will create the pagination using this total page. Okay, using this total page we will create the pagination. Okay, so copy it from here, and we will use here the javascript, okay, method to create the dynamic array using the method array dot from. Okay, using the method array dot from we will create the array. Okay, using this variable total page. Okay, total page we will get here 10 page. Okay, 10 page. Okay, so we will get here 10 buttons. Okay, we will get here 10 buttons. Okay, as a pagination button we will get here 10 button. Okay, and we will use here math dot array to create the array. Okay, so now below this div we will just create here this. Okay, so we will just say here, I'll just show here the say here pagination. Okay, pagination. So create a div, give the class name also. First close this div, and I'll just say here deflex. Okay, I'll just say here justify content center. Open this div, and inside this div we will just use here the javascript method array dot from to create the array. Okay, I'll just say here array, not array. What is this? I'm sorry. Okay, so we will say here array. Okay, dot from. Okay, open and closing curly braces, and we will just give here the okay, we will just give you the length property. So colon length will be the total page. Okay, so put here comma, and guys this, okay, this is known as the like mapping method. Okay guys, this is known as the mapping method. Okay, so we don't need here the first element or the first parameter of this mapping method. So I'll just use here the like what can I say, under score. Okay, give here comma, we just only need here index. I'll just use here the anonymous factor function like this. Okay, so open and closing parenthesis. Okay, so guys we will just use this, okay, to create the array. Okay, we will just use this to create the array, and this is known as the mapping method. Okay, this is known as the mapping method to look through this created array. Okay, this created array. Okay, so let me just give you the demo here also. So just copy this and just inside this only. Okay, instead of page number, say here like this. Okay, like this, and now we will just say here this is the looping method. So give comma, I'll just say here index, and just we will just say here we will get the output. Okay, 1 2, okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 like this, and this is the mapping method. Okay, this is the mapping method. So this is it. So now inside this div we have to create here the button element. I'll just create the button element. Okay, the button element. So just give here the class name also. I'll just open this. Okay, and inside the button we have to show the text also, like first, second, third, up to 10. So we will just use here open and closing curly braces. I just see here index. Okay, as of now we will see here 0 to this, but we want 1 to 10. Okay, so plus 1, this is it. I'll just give here the dynamic classes also using the backtick and just curly braces. Okay, so we will just say here btn. I'll just say here mx 2, and we will just use your dollar sign open and closing curly braces, and we'll just copy this. Okay, copy this current page state variable from here and just paste it here. Equal to we will check. Okay, if index plus 1, okay, if it is true, we will say here, we will apply here the dynamic classes. We will say here btn dark. Okay, otherwise we will apply here another class. We will say here btn outline dark. Okay, this is it. And now, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, boom guys, you can see here the button is here, but as of now nothing is going to happen. As of now nothing will happen whenever we will click on any of the button. Okay, as of now nothing will happen whenever we will click on any of the button. So we have to make it clickable now. We have to make it clickable now. So now we will just define here one method also, on click. Okay, on click we will just define here one method as well, and we will use here the anonymous filter function. And now we will just say here handle. Okay, handle click. Okay, handle click. Okay, handle click, and we will just say here handle click. And as of now, just now we will just pass this index. Okay, we will just pass this index, okay, as a parameter to this click handle. Okay, handle click. And now we will just not this current page, copy this index, and we will make it 1. Okay, because our page is starting from 1, so we have to make it 1. Okay, because you can see here our page is starting from 1. Okay, current page is equal to 1 here, because our page is starting from 1, so we have to make this as a 1 only. So now just copy this from here and just come to the code now. This, okay, here we will just say here const, paste it here, give equal to, and just say here I will just use here the filter function. And now just make it, okay, page. Okay, so copy, save the file and copy this. Okay, set current page state updater function to update this current page. Okay, to update this current page, copy it from here and just paste it here. And now we will pass this page, okay, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now try to click on second button. See, boom guys, see, now we can see here data is now being changed. See, data is now being changed. Okay, see, boom. Okay, see, boom guys, see. Okay, data is now being changed. Okay, so now first of all let me just copy this tooltip from here. And now we will show the tooltip also. So enclose this button within this tooltip. So cut it out from here and just paste it here. So ideally we have to give here now the key prop as well on this tooltip. Okay, so I'll just say here key, I'll just give you the index, and now I'll just give you the placement also, not inside this place. What is this? Sorry. So I'll just say here placement, I'll say here top. I'll just give here color as a blue. Okay, we can give anything, it's blue. Okay, and we will just say here arrow also, say here arrow, I'll give here true. Okay, arrow is true. And I'll just give you the title also using the curly braces. So title equal to, I'll just use here the backtick to make it dynamic. I'll just say here dollar sign open and closing curly braces, and I'll just say here index. Okay, plus 1. I'll just say here pages. Okay, pages. As of now just save the file, have a look in the browser, come to the bottom. So now we can see here the tooltip also. First page, okay, second page, okay, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, seventh, eighth page, ninth page, and 10th page. Okay, and we can see here it is dynamically working as well. and we can see here data is now being changed. Okay, okay, so let me just this is it. Okay, so guys, let me just create here the modal very quickly. So guys, now let me just create here modal very quickly. Okay, so I'm going to create here the modal. Okay, so I'm going to create here the modal using this ant design. Okay, using this ant design. Okay, so just go to this ant design. Okay, and we will just copy the modal code only, go to the components. Okay, and go to the modal. Okay, go to the modal, guys. Go to the modal. So just open this. Okay, this is the modal we will use. Okay, and let me just go to the javascript. Let me just copy this modal from here to here and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Let me just remove this, we don't need this, remove this. Okay, so now let me just fix this out. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will create here a few more state variables also. So I'll just create here few more state variables. I'll just say here const. Okay, const, I'll just create here two more state variables. Okay, I'll just say here modal. Okay, modal open. I'll just say here set. Okay, set modal open, and I'll just say here use state, use state, and as of now just give here as a false. Okay, as a false. Okay, and we will just create here. Okay, and let me just use here another state variable. I'll create here. I'll just say here uh, say here modal data. Say here set modal, set modal modal data. Okay, equal to use state, and as of now just make it okay object. So let's just make it object. So copy this open modal state variable from here and just on this say here open equal to this. Okay, and just copy this set modal open state updater function from here and just to replace with this. Okay, and as of now on this button, so let me just okay, so let me just create here button to apply the dark mode. Okay, let me just create here button to apply the dark mode. So I'll just create the button to apply the dark mode. Okay, so let me just create the text dynamically using this dark mode state variable. So just now, okay, so we will just check. Okay, if it is true, we will apply here see here light mode. Okay, otherwise if it is false, we will say here dark. Okay, mode. Okay, dark mode. So now let me just give the class name also. I'll just say here let's just give here the dynamic classes. Okay, let's just give here the dynamic classes using the curly braces and backtick. I'll just say here btn btn. Okay, btn this. Okay, and dollar sign, I'll just use this I will just use this. Okay, syntax. So just copy this from here and just paste it here. If it is true, we will apply here the btn. Okay, btn info. Okay, otherwise we will apply here otherwise we will apply here btn. Okay, bt, and I'll say here secondary. Okay, this is it. As of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So we can see here dark mode is now button here. So let me just on this button, we will say here on click of this button, we will use here the anonymous filter function like this. Okay, and we will just say here copy this. Okay, copy this set dark mode state updater function, and just paste it here, and we will just negate it. Okay, like this. Okay, this dark mode, copy it from here and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now we can see here, so search anything. So now apply dark mode. So see, boom guys, now dark mode is now applied. Okay, go to the second page. You can see dark mode is still here, dark mode is still here, dark mode is still here. Okay, dark mode is still here. Okay, dark mode is still here. Okay, so now let me just refresh the page. Okay, so as of now so okay, so now what is left guys? I think we have left, okay, a few tasks only. So okay, okay, modal. Okay, so modal. So now I was forgetting the modal only. So on click of this card only. Okay, on click of this card only, we will just say here on click of this card only. Okay, on click of this card only, we will just create here anonymous filter function, and we will just say here open modal, say here show data. Okay, in modal. Okay, in modal, and just pass this. Okay, entire book object. Okay, entire book object. So just copy this and just now come up and now const, paste it here, give equal to, and now just I'm sorry, so we will just say here copy this, and first of all let me just make it, okay, true. Let's just make it true and close this. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, and try to click anywhere on the card. So we can see, boom guys, the modal is now being open. Okay, see, anywhere click on the card, anywhere on the card. Okay, click anywhere on the card, we can see the modal is now being open. Okay, so we have to show the data now, and we have to fetch the data, we have to show the data as well. Okay, so just come to the code now and copy this. Okay, set modal data, we will update this modal data using this set modal data state updater function. Copy it from here and just paste it here, and we will pass, okay, this entire book object to this. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, so now we will make this modal dynamic, we will now make this modal dynamic. So come to the code now and copy this. Okay, modal data from here, and now we will just use this. Okay, make it now dynamic. Okay, make this title dynamic as well using the curly braces. So I'll just say here modal data dot name. So save the file, have a look in the browser. So modal data, so not name, I guess it's title, I guess it's title. Copy it from here and just replace with this name. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, you can see here environmental science, and okay, season of mists, click OK. Living with Adam, and hackers, you can see here hackers, the modal title, go math, click OK. So now we will make dynamic. Okay, this modal data, we will make it dynamic. Okay, so let me just make it dynamic. Okay, so I'll just create here the strong element as well. I'll just say here strong and strong. Okay, and let me just show here what I have shown here. Okay, let me just show see here what I have shown here. So I have shown here the images as well. Okay, this images as well. Okay, and the mm, so let me just show the image now. So let me just guys, okay, copy this. Okay, say copy it. Okay guys, let's just copy the entire things. Okay, let's just copy the entire things. Okay, so I have explained you each and everything in depth, in details. So let's just replace here. Okay, let's just replace here. Okay, so let's just replace here. So let me just copy this. Okay, with this modal data, so paste it here. And if okay, if this is defined, okay, if this is defined, then we will show the this image. Okay, then only we will show this image dynamically. So replace with this modal data, replace with this modal data, replace with this modal data, this modal data. Okay, this modal data and this modal data and this modal data. And you can see modal data title to show the title, author, publisher. If it is not, we can show the publisher, first published year, and the language as well. We will use the join method to join all the languages. I explained you the join method here as well very well. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, we can see each and everything. And I explained you it is going to take a few seconds also for to get updated, because we are fetching each and everything from the external API, from the external server. Okay, so this is it. So let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, and click this. Okay, so let me just say here physics, hit enter. You can see here now and now these all books are related related to physics. Okay, so go to the second page, go to the third page. You can see we can change the data. We can see the data is being changed. Okay, on each and every page we can see the all the data in the modal itself. Whenever you will click on any of the user, I mean the book card. Okay, or the card. Okay, this is it. Okay, go to the fifth page, go to the sixth page. Okay, so we can see here everything is being changed. Okay, so now, okay, so let me just search here the water. Okay, water. So guys, we can search the book name using the author name as well. Okay guys, we can search the book name using the author name as well. So hit enter. So you can see here the water knife. Okay, you can see here every, guys, you can see here we can search guys any kind of book. Okay, we can search here any kind of book. Okay, so okay, we can see each and everything in the modal as well. Everything we can see here in the modal as well. Okay, so okay, okay, so guys, we can apply the dark mode as well, and we can toggle the theme as well. So okay, now the dark mode is removed, dark mode is now applied. Okay, so okay, so uh, let me just check one thing. So let me just check one thing. Okay, okay, so okay, so if we want, okay, we can like create this button also, handle search. Okay, so you can just let me just copy this handle search, and let me just say here, uh, come now, and handle come now, we will just say here, uh, we can create here one method also. So let me just okay, so we can, what we can do here, we can say here, fetch. Okay, let's just make it fetch. Okay, let's just make it fetch API. Okay, so copy this and just to replace with this also, and now we will create, okay, this handle, okay, handle change method. So copy it from here, and below this I will just create it, paste it now, give equal to, and open and closing curly braces. Okay, and now just let me just pass here the event object as well. So as of now, just remove the event object from here. Okay, remove this from here also, and now we will just say here. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, this is it, and now just copy this set current page from here. Let's just make the current page every time one, every time the new user will search the new result. Okay, let's just make it one. Okay, and we will just check it. Okay, search term. Okay, if okay, this search term dot trim. Okay, dot trim. Okay, if it is equal to blank or the empty, we will just say here return. Okay, we will just say here return, and let me just see one more thing. Okay, we will just say here return. Okay, and now we will just say here, and we will just say here this fetch API. So call it from here, copy it from here, and just paste it here. And if we want, okay, guys, this will also work. Okay, let me just save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so guys, as of now, let's just remove the things, okay, from here, and try to search. Okay, okay, so let me just refresh the page, and try to search for anything. Okay, see, it is not going to search. Okay, it is not going to search. Okay, see, it is not going to search. And if we want, we can also do like this. Okay, we can also do like this, just negate it. Okay, just negate it using the exclamation mark. Okay, using the exclamation mark, this will also work. Okay, this will also work. If there is nothing, we can also alert the user. So let's just cut this from here, and we will just say here alert. Okay, so I'll just say here alert, I'll say here foo, and just return. So save the file, have a look in the browser, and now try to search the book. You can see here foo, and it is not going to do anything. Okay, it is not going to do anything. And we can also do like this. Okay, we can also do like this. Save the file, have a look in the browser, search book. You can see here foo. Okay, so we can do in either ways. Okay, so this is it. So save the file, and just remove this alert, it's like unnecessary. Okay, I just give this for the explanation. Okay, so okay, this is it. And now search here, say here Akshay Kumar. Okay, Akshay Kumar. So we can search the book using the author name as well. Hit enter. You can see here the author is this. Okay, at least we can see here the name, author name will be Akshay Kumar. Okay, you can see here author is Akshay Kumar. Okay, so as of now we can see here only 60 data. Okay, you can see here as of now we can see here only you can see here state versus Jolly LLB 2. Okay, Neeraj Pandey Rustam. Okay, so see, it is going to give you guys each and everything. Okay, using the author name, using anything. Okay, you can see Akshay Kumar is here, it is, you can see here Akshay Kumar is here. uh, just close this. You can see here Akshay Kumar is here also. You can see here Akshay Kumar is here also. So go to the third page. Okay, so I hope guys this is it. Okay, if anything is needed, you can just try to learn. Okay, and you can just ask me in the comment section below. I can just I will definitely try to give you the best possible solution, best possible answer as well. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, all about for this video, for this session. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something new, something awesome, something cool. Okay, from this video, from this session. Guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, okay, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it, and I'll definitely try to give you the best possible solution as well. Okay, so you can guys give me the feedback as well. Okay, about my session, about my video. Okay, I know guys voices are a little like low, so please guys, please, okay, do use the headphone. Okay, please guys, do use the headphone. Okay, so uh, I feel guys I've explained you to the deep. Okay, to the code also. And if we want, okay, we can also we can guys, okay, try to modify this. Okay, book search app, okay, as per our need, as per our requirements. Okay, it is fully customizable. You can guys fully personalized it. Okay, as per your need, as per your requirements. Okay, so this is it guys, all about this session, this video. So guys, now let's call it a day. Okay, and thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my session. Okay, and let me guys read something for you, so that it will give you the confidence, it will give you the motivation to subscribe my this channel, Code with ER. Okay, so let me just read this for you. So I'll say here, hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar, or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. My aim is to give something meaningful and valuable to the society through education and knowledge. If you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel, Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with these skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, so remember guys, there are countless channels out there offering cheap and dirty and harmful content to you for your entertainment, but here it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, Code with ER. Your support means the world to me. Yes guys, you heard that right. Your support means the world to me. At the end of the day, it's all in your hands. I'll take care. Okay, I'll take so guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. Er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, that's me. So thank you guys, okay, for watching my video, for watching my session, and for watching my content as well. Okay, so okay, let's call it a day. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. Please subscribe now my channel, Code with ER. Okay, please guys, please. So bye bye guys. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.